What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here at the Horsepower Factory for day one of Ford Takeover, the dyno shootout. We already got one person sitting here for the power adder class. Xander 13 is going to enter it. There you go. See what he makes. He's on 93 with a 120 pulley with some exhaust work, and should do pretty good. And then, as you just seen, guys, in the beginning, is we did put a fuel system on the car. Now, I know I told you guys that I was going to do a video. However, I was pushed for time. I do have another customer's car in the shop that's getting a Ford Innovations fuel system. So that's the car that I'm going to take my time and show you guys. If you're interested on where I put stuff, how I do the fuel system. Now, I did have to put mine regulator right there, and everything is good with where it's sitting. And then we've got the 4 vacuum block right there with the hob switch right there. Now we are running a Ford Innovations triple pump setup, so we got plenty of fuel for the future. We got -10 feed with 8 return, so we are good to go with the fuel system for as much power as we want in the future. More than this thing can ever handle. But guys, I always like to do the fuel above and beyond. That way there's no way of me running out of fuel. And then if I decide to put a built motor in this thing and go crazy way down the road, the fuel system's already there. We did get some new wheels on, as you've probably seen in the dyno video that we posted. Did get some new wheels on thanks to Chris. Chris decided to get rid of his street stuff, so we picked it up. But anyway, guys, people are starting to roll in, so we will pick this up in just a little bit.
We're back. Hell yeah.
All right, guys, we are out here at Ford Takeover event. Got a little racing done earlier, and a little water started coming through the track, so they kind of shut it down for everybody's safety. It sucks, but hey, it is what it is. It rained all week here, but huge turnout here at Ford Takeover. Huge turnout. But anyway, got Daryl here. What was that? Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Come on, come on. Do it. There you go. Do it. Next thing I know, you're going to be doing a Carlton dance for Fresh Prince.
I will.
Can you do it?
No, I can't.
Daryl is here with his Ford Bugini. He's looking at Corey's car, and there's going to be a video coming on his car very soon. Built by HPR Twin Turbo Coyote.